A very warm welcome and good afternoon to my lecturer, Madam Jessie, and my fellow friends. Today, me, myself, Kishan Rao, Jason, and Darwin have discussed on the area of auditing. So, based on this area of auditings, we have also discussed about two areas that are based on the documentation that is given, that is ISO 27001 and ISO 27002. So, based on this, we would like to start our discussion. And now we will start with Jason.
Thank you, thank you, Kishan. So the first, auditing and organization. So this type of audit focus on the governance component of security and covers all aspects of the companies. The international standard is designed for organization to use it as a reference for selecting controls within the process of implementing an information like security management system based on the ISO slash IEC 27001, or it also can be used as a guiding documentary for organization to implement commonly accepting the information security controls. This standard is also implemented for use in developing industries and organizations specialized information security management and guidance. All organization types and sizes, like public industry and private sectors or profit or non-profit sectors, uh, collect, process, store, and transmit the information in many forms, including electronic, physical, and other stuffs. So this is the one of the area of auditing. So now I pass to Darwin for the next one.
Okay. Thank you so much, Jason, for the explanation on auditing and organization. So next, we would like to touch on the auditing a domain. So that will be covered by Darwin.
Okay, thank you, Kishan Rao. Okay, let me go through what is domain first of all. A domain is a logical grouping of computers. Computers in a domain can share physical proximity on a small land, or they can locate it in different parts of the world. Let's say you are using Google Cloud. Where is the cloud session and data are storing in? It's after all in a domain or in a server. Okay, we should audit a domain so that it doesn't have a vulnerability attack and so on, because domain has lots and lots of data. So domains are IT service offered to the business, and at this level the auditor groups interconnected process technologies and business function to access them as one unit. Okay, the level is primarily focused on service delivery architecture and meeting the security requirements of the business. First of all, we have know that auditing is basically one of the function is to increase the security requirements, that so that others won't take advantage of. So with this, and we have to have a good secure system with ISO 27001. So it explains more about the security, which we have to make sure there is no malware attack, and how we can prevent unauthorized physical access, damage, or interference to its domain. And other than this also, it also indicates that operational procedures and responsibility, how to make sure domain works and correct operations are in place. Let's say someone's came in to service a domain, so they know what's the operational procedure, so that the data won't be still easily and so on. That's one of it. And it is also explains about logging and monitoring in it. So it explains how we can set up the domain and so on, stuff with ISO basic guidelines. It's how it works, and that's all from us for this auditing area, especially. So thank you.
Thank you so much, Darwin. So this is the based on auditing, based on areas of auditing. So as you all can see, all of these are connected to any kind of how would I say, the security based on, like example, now we have used ISO 27001 and ISO 27002, and there are many more security based on this. So That's all from us. Thank you.